Remember to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss an update from First Cry Parenting.
Simple tricks to reduce screen time for your child. Screen addiction among children is becoming a growing concern for most parents across the globe. Here are some tricks to help you guarantee a healthy and active childhood for your kid. Simple tricks to reduce screen time for your child. 1. Plan a fun activity during TV advertisements. Plan a fun activity such as a quick dumb charade or a little race across the living room, for which the child can do the most sit-ups. If he loves the activities, he might decide to stop watching the show and continue with the games. 2. No TV in the background. When the TV is on in the background while your child is having a meal or playing, it creates a sense of dependency in the child's mind. He is likely to turn the TV on the next time he pursues a hobby or even plays freestyle. Eliminate all passive screen time in your home. 3. Join your child in fun outdoor activities during the week. Kids who have become used to excessive screen time tend to avoid the outdoors as they see it as an interruption. When you plan fun outdoor activities for him, to join him, he will likely start seeing the outdoors in a new light. You can play cricket or football, take a walk in the park, or enjoy drawing with your kid. 4. Help your child find outdoor buddies. Some children are shyer than others and may struggle with making friends. You can help your child get introduced to other kids in the neighborhood through little activities like a treasure hunt, play dates, outdoor picnics, etc. These new friends will become the motivation for your child to go out and engage in physical activities every day. 5. Do an occasional digital detox for the whole family. The trick is to set out a clear day every week when the family will not have any screen time. This includes staying away from mobile phones, TV, tablets, computers, etc. When he sees you indulging in physical activities, he will follow suit. 6. Find a mutually agreeable solution with your child. If your child is a toddler or older, you should explain to him why it is necessary to control our screen time. You can also ask him to offer amazing solutions. This way, he won't get the feeling that the parent is trying to control him. 7. Find a magic mantra. Establish a phrase that clearly communicates it is time to stop spending time with screens. For example, your mantra could be "It's family time now." So let's get our kids outdoors and get them to experience the fun of outdoor play.